How's it going? So I've got a new package here from China. Got a couple of high capacity batteries for my Bebop 1 that the guy I like to watch named Helder has used quite a bit, and weird packaging material. Let's see how they wow, that's weird. Wrapped in damn, looks like a couple of baked potatoes. How bizarre. What we got here? Dear buyer. What a bunch of weird rubber packing material. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Maybe package might just say don't blow up on transit or something. Who the hell knows? Protecting against the. There you go. There you have it. I hope they fit good. We'll soon see. I'll have to weigh them and see what they weigh. Such a weird packing material. How bizarre. But if they work okay, who cares, I guess. That's some weird packaging. Funky. This is not. This is kind of clunky. That doesn't sound very good. Well, 2500 milliamp. Charge them up, see how they work out. I feel not too heavy, but definitely heavier than the other ones. They better fit. We shall see. That's what you get when you buy stuff from China sometimes. Take care. Alright, well here's a follow-up to that, my unboxing of those batteries. And they actually fit pretty good, you know. They're a little bit heavy, but they're 2500 milliamp and they fly for, you know, I got 16 minutes, which is pretty awesome. I'm happy with that because the batteries that come with the Bebop here suck. So I'll show you how it fits here. Fits actually kind of snug. It fits, in fact, so snug that I don't need a strap. Nice fit there. I mean, that's on there. You couldn't do that with the original battery. In fact, it's kind of stout to get off, but it's not coming off. So I can actually fly those without the strap, which is pretty awesome.